Hey there, scrapper people. Today we're going to take apart something different. We're going to see what we can get out of these old cordless phones. I have 7 of them. That weighs 2 pounds, 2.3 ounces. We're going to tear each of them apart, and we're just going to see for the heck of it what we can get out of them, what kind of boards, what can we get out of them, if anything. So stay tuned, and hope you're going to like this, something different. So stay tuned and let's get it done. Some of them are a little bit dirty. They forgot batteries. Lots of plastic. Might as well break out the small screwdriver for these. Hopefully find some good gold, some good boards on these. The batteries, of course, will recycle at the appropriate spot for them. All that is scrap. We do have some gold. Very light, but there's some. That's trash. It said very light gold, but there's some on there. That's trash, LCD. There's one board. Keep going. This is the one I'm anxious to see. That's an old one. Same with this one. These are all newer ones. If you had a charger, you might be able to reuse those. This one don't look as good. That would have been a nice little motherboard there, but the rest of it, there might be some gold inlay. Not much on that one. got another one just like it. So we'll get this one apart. Get that speaker out. Same with that. That might be brass. We'll have to check it. This is plastic. Since we done took one apart, we know how to get that out. One more to go. I can see some gold on that one. This looks like that other one we took apart. Yep, that went flying. Now this is a little bit different. Look at that. That looks nice. Similar, but not the same. It's a lot nicer one. Let's keep going. Said if you had a rechargeable battery charger, you might be able to recharge those. Oh, look at those. They got gold on them too, so we'll keep those also. Plastic junk. No gold on that. That's definitely gold. Also got some gold fingers. The rest of that's junk. We'll do, this is the heavier one. We'll do this one next. That's a big battery. That's got a lot of components on this. And there's gold on it too, I can see. Those look gold. Them there I'd say is gold plated. Get the speaker out. Or the earpiece, I guess, not the speaker. The rest of that is junk. And for the last one, the big boy. Let's hope we get something good out of it. Another big battery. Wow. Fancy. That's scrap. Not so sure about much gold. A lot of ICs and flat packs though. Can't really tell when that. That's cool. Looks like they'll pop. There's gold in there. Didn't want to pop that off, but you can see that there's gold in that. There we have it. Get this screen off here. Get this here out of here. Actually, that might be brass. This nice shiny thing here, plastic. See if this is brass. That's magnetic. See if these are brass. That's brass. Magnetic. Plastic. These are magnetic. Plastic. The rest of these are speakers. I mean, the wire's not going to mount to nothing because they're not going to add up. Let's see what we got out of those. Out of these boards, I would say they are probably a peripheral high grade. So the peripheral high grade out of all of them is 4.9 ounces of peripheral high grade board. And then all the speakers, which I will be cleaning, taking the copper off of those, or the gold, sorry. I just want to throw the wire in here with it because it's not going to weigh nothing. So all the metal is 1.9 ounces of metal. And for our two little pieces of brass, they don't weigh anything. And a bunch of batteries to recycle. So, I hope you liked the video, trying to find different things to tear apart. I thought this is something different, it's kind of unique. There is value in them, little value, but you've seen, I got 7 apart in what, just a couple minutes, like 10 minutes maybe. So, if you're bored and don't have nothing to do, you can tinker with one of those and see what you get. Some of them's got gold. So I hope you like watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. See ya. Bye.